Hi everyone, hi sir, my name is Remy Navarro. I will introduce the 4 techniques are used in the video. First, panning. Panning is the horizontal moving left to right or right to left. Second, dolly out. Dolly out is the camera slowly moves far away on object. Third, dolly in. Dolly in is camera movement slowly moves closer on the objects. Fourth, revealing. Revealing is the movement show the object and show you. I edit on CapCut.